Hey guys, so I'm about to explain you why Toshi is one of the biggest meme coin on Base network. So the Toshi Memecoin is named after Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase cat, which is named Toshi as well. And this name Toshi was inspired by Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin.
And Toshi. The second one, Toshi, is named after Satoshi Nakamoto.
So Coinbase CEO has a cat named after Satoshi.
That's why this is one of the biggest meme coin on Base chain. I think this is the biggest pet meme coin as well. Right here you can see the market cap is around $100 million. And looking at the fact that animal and pet meme coins are the biggest ones in this crypto space, I won't be surprised if it do 10x, 20x, maybe even 30x, reaching around $3 billion in market cap. And there are many bullish factors about this meme coin. First of all, it has been listed on many huge exchanges lately, and that's a great sign when meme coin is getting a many big exchanges. And one of the biggest listings they had, which will be listed today, is on MEXC. If you want to trade on MEXC and you don't have an account, you can create it easily. And if you use my referral link, you will get a big trading bonus. So all the links are in the description and in the comment section below. Another reason you can see is here. You can see that Coinbase account on X itself posted this. You can see they answered with true when someone said that this is a great pet name. And obviously they are talking about the Toshi Memecoin. And nothing in this video is a financial advice, but my prediction is that this Toshi Memecoin will be listed on Coinbase sooner or later, because this is a really active meme coin. You can see the community is huge. This meme coin, the founders, the developers are basically posting on Twitter, on X, every single day. You can see the animations. Everything is really, really high quality, and I love when the project is actually building something and not just posting the ticker. They are actually creating some animations, some cartoons, some pictures, some GIFs, everything. And the most important fact for meme coin creators is to stay active, post multiple times a day on their accounts all over social media. Another bullish fact is that if people are searching for Base meme coins, this is one of the highest one. That's why it is really easy to see it on the list. And I think it is really well-made meme. It is Toshi, the name of Brian Armstrong's cat. And we are still yet to see the Base network pump. I think there will be a huge narrative soon. You can also see people like Ansem that are basically Solana meme coin celebrities. They are starting to post about Base meme coins. I think that Base will go up, and I can bet that they have their bags ready. They have bought everything, and now they are waiting when Base actually do something. And as you know, when the crypto gets popular, the biggest exchange is basically Coinbase. And maybe you don't know this, but Coinbase actually funded the Base network. That's why there's a high opportunity for Base meme coins to get listed on Coinbase. And Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world, is the first crypto exchange in the world. And it is the most, basically the easiest crypto exchange to use for people that are starting the crypto. And one of the biggest hurdles for new people in this crypto space is actually the wallets. It's really hard to understand wallets at first, the transactions, the gas fees, and Coinbase is doing this perfectly. They are creating their own wallet that doesn't need basically signatures. They don't have to wait. They just press buy, press sell, and everything happens automatically. This is basically a smart wallet, and that's the reason why Coinbase is the biggest exchange. They are onboarding normal people and making everything simple. And that's why I think when and if Toshi gets listed, and many of meme coins I'm holding like Dogin Me, Degen is already listed. That's why it is pumping. And if Toshi, if these small market cap meme coins get listed, everything will go crazy. And I actually created my own Patreon channel where I will be posting more alpha. As we are getting closer to crypto and Bitcoin euphoria, I will be posting more and more as more opportunities come, because in 2021 bull run, there was so much alpha that I couldn't have enough time to post everything on social media. That's why I created my Patreon, where I will be posting latest alpha. So join if you don't want to miss out. Also, if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, NFT alpha, press that like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.